Today we're going to talk about an ARM, APR, DTI, discount points, appraisal, home inspection, LE, LTV, MI, MIP, PMI, and pre-approval. All of this is called Loan Lingo. I get asked these questions all the time, so let's get into it. An ARM, ARM, is an adjustable rate mortgage. Most people know this, a lot of people do not. Basically what this means is you have an interest rate that's fixed for a certain amount of time, and then it starts to adjust. Most of the time it's yearly, based on the 1-year LIBOR or the 1-year T-bill. So if you take a 7-year ARM, let's say your interest rate is 3.5%, it would be fixed for 7 years, and then it would start adjusting on year 8 up until the end of your loan term, 20 to 30 years. APR, this is the one that we get asked about most. And this is your annual percentage rate. Basically what APR is it's your cost. It shows it's your cost to borrow money expressed at a yearly percentage. And it includes your interest rate and other charges or fees. So when you're shopping around for lenders, APR is always a good indicator of who's charging you the less fees for the loan. So that's always a good way to shop. DTI, debt to income ratio. Obviously this is the ratio as to how much gross money you make as opposed to how much debt is going out the door each month, everything that's credit reportable as well as your current or the new mortgage payment. So credit cards, lot loans, auto loans, etc., student loans, those are all calculated. Discount points, get asked about this a lot. What's a discount point? Discount point is the charge to buy your interest rate down. For instance, if your interest rate is 3.5%, but you could buy it down 1% to 3%, that's a 1% discount that we would charge on your loan estimate. And that would be factored into your annual percentage rate as well. So that's what a discount point is. And that's different from origination because a discount is actually used to buy down your mortgage interest rate. Appraisal, obviously everybody knows what an appraisal is. It's a report that provides the estimate of a property's value that's required. Home inspection. We often get asked what the difference between a home inspection and an appraisal is. So an appraisal is used for the lender to make sure that the collateral or the home is sound for the value. And the home inspection is between the buyer and a home inspector. The home inspector is actually going to do a visual examination of the property, go in the crawl space, into the basement to make sure that the condition of the property is good. LE is a loan estimate. The old days, it was called a good faith estimate, a GFE. Now it's just a loan estimate. Basically, the loan estimate provides the fees associated with the loan. And lenders are required to disclose that loan estimate within 72 hours after a contract is signed and an interest rate has been locked. LTV, this is the loan to value, the mortgage as opposed to the purchase price. So for instance, purchase price is $100,000, the loan amount is $80,000, our loan to value is 80% of the purchase price. MI, MIP, and PMI, they're all the same thing. Mortgage insurance premium, or private mortgage insurance. What mortgage insurance is it's additional insurance that's required by the lender in the secondary market if you put 20% or less down on a home. So basically a third party vendor comes in, Genworth, Radian, United Guarantee, they provide additional insurance to the lender in case of default on a borrower's behalf. And then pre-approval. So we often get asked what's the difference between pre-approval and pre-qualification. Pre-approval, basically lenders determine the approval of a home purchase before they start looking, barring anything adverse or unforeseen between that day and the loan closing, meaning no change jobs, the appraisal, the value is sound for the purchase price, and everything works out. So pre-approval is basically that a lender has seen your credit, looked at your pay stubs and your tax returns, and is giving you the okay to go out and purchase a certain priced home, barring anything adverse or unforeseen between that date and the day of closing. But as always, please contact us, text me or my team at the number below, and we're glad to help you with anything that you need.